Well, hi guys, I have always heard that skincare is something which belongs to women, and I totally agree upon that thing, as women's skin need extra care and treatment to maintain the health of their skin. But on the other side, if we talk about men's skin even needs the same care, treatment and protection to maintain the inner health and appearance of their skin. Our skin does have a minimum requirement which needs to be fulfilled and should be treated as a priority. Most of the men do have oily and combination kind of skin, and the product should be considered on the basis of the skin type an individual have. If we talk about oily skin, excessive oil is produced on the surface of our skin, which can lead to clogged pores and can lead to acne as well. If not treated well, can even lead to pimples, blackheads and other type of acne as well. So, what's the solution? Well, here I'm going to talk about some products which are specially designed to control the excessive oil produced on the surface of our skin. All the products which I'm going to be talking about are France manufactured products and are specifically designed for oily, acne prone and combination kind of skin. Plus, I'm even going to show you a simple yet quick skincare routine which will include cleansing, moisturizing and protecting your skin. You can add up this skincare routine in your lifestyle to get healthy skin. So, let's get started. In the skincare routine, the first step is cleansing, and for the cleansing part, we have Sebium Gel Moussant. Now, Sebium Gel Moussant is very soft and gentle cleanser, uncommonly designed for acne-prone, oily and combination kind of skin. It's a soap-free formula which contains zinc sulfate and copper sulfate as well. Let me show you how to use it. Take a coin-sized amount of Sebium Gel Moussant on your palm and start applying it on your face. Apply the cleanser in a circular motion. Start applying it on your cheek area and then take it to the T region of your face. Once you are done, rinse the face wash off. Make your skin dry. I know your skin already feels fresh. Use this cleanser twice a day, once in the morning and second in the evening before bed. And here we are even done with our first part, which was cleansing, and we are heading towards the second one, which is moisturizing. For the moisturization part, we have Sebium Hydra here. Now, Sebium Hydra is an intensely nourishing and rehydrating moisturizer differently designed for acne-prone, oily and combination kind of skin. It limits the sensation of tightness, soothes redness and even nourishes your skin so well. Now, what we have to do is take a sufficient amount of Sebium Hydra on your palm and start applying it on your face. Cleanse with Sebium Gel Moussant. I'm talking about the cleanser which we used earlier. Apply the moisturizer thoroughly on your face. The product can provide you 24 hours moisturization with the goodness of glycerin and ceramides, which combats the sensation of tightness. It does have anti-irritational properties as well. And along with this, we are moving towards the third part, which is protection. And for the protection part, we have Photoderm Max, which has SPF 50+. It provides 98.8% DNA protection and provides a high UVA and UVB protection as well. For the application part, apply the sunscreen liberally, covering all the parts of your face to get fuller protection. It has cellular bioprotection patent which protects cells and prevents premature skin aging. It has a melting texture, colorless when applied, no oily film and no white traces as well. It's unfragranced and water resistant. So this is the routine which I was talking about, and I am sure it's the simplest routine to maintain the health of your skin. I would recommend using this Sebium range to follow the skincare routine which I just showed you, as these products are specially designed for acne prone, oily and combination type of skin and should be used on regular basis for visible results. I hope you liked the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe to the Bioderma channel. Thank you.